Just your journey of how did you come to be in the event industry right up to the position that you are in today?
I came to Bombay. I was 17 and a half, and I was doing door-to-door salesmanship in a company called Impact. And we used to sell snippets, which was news-related articles at the time. And I walked into the Channel V office at that moment, and I became an executive assistant. And that's where I got my first induction into the world of media. And Channel V at that time used to be one of those, young, fabulous and wannabe places that everybody, adored and saw, and it was the coolest place to be in. As soon as that got over, I went and joined UTV. And in UTV is where my first tries with production happened. I started going on production rounds with the team for ad films. And that time, Devan Khote used to do ad films. So I came back into Channel V again, but this time around as a producer. So as an associate producer. And I had really good mentors, I must say, who let me learn on my own. And so I started producing a show called Late Night V. I was also a VJ manager at the same time. So I was managing talent at the same time. In that round of Channel V is when I started going around and doing a lot of the Channel V live shows across all cities with the VJs traveling, handling a bit of the production, understanding what, live shows meant and the music shows meant. That gave me a taste of the world of events, right? I mean, what better to be involved in, especially when you're touring different cities with different artists, and it was to see the crowd go crazy. It was a different high. However, that journey led me to get back into media because that was what I was into, which was broadcast. So I started producing game shows with this company called Fremantle, where I was heading their Bombay office for them. I did Family Fortunes, Pictionary, and Khulja Sim Sim. But then at that time, when it was like that stage where all game shows went off air, and because it was not doing well, people were not watching, and the company decided to fold up. So I said, oh God, what do I do now? And I was one of those people who had a goal that I needed to get a house of my own, a car of my own. So which meant that I had to get a job and make sure that, I was from one place to the other. So at that time, when I had this little bit of a, opening, a good friend of mine introduced me to Chetna, who was one art director at that time. She had just done this film, Dil Chahta Hai, and she needed an assistant. So I joined her for a couple of months, and we did this movie called Satya as an assistant art director. So that, I think, gave me an exposure to the film world and, all of that. So I thought, okay, do I want to do this? Do I, I was still not convinced. At that time, Channel V came back again and asked me to become the production manager of the Channel V first reality show called Channel V Pop Stars, from which the band Viva came to being. And that's when I realized that this is what I want to do. The production of it, such a large scale. But I was very clear that I wanted to be in the events world with broadcast as well. It was not only events on ground. So the option of going and joining an agency never came to my mind, was because it just was inherently, I had media as a background. So it became a plus point for me. Plus, I had done all these different kinds of jobs of talent management and everything that came well. So I could become a good project manager. So I knew all the departments well enough to sort of guide or mentor anybody who came in new and put together. But my strength, because I'm also a very organized person and I have OCD, I realized was that was my turning point. Because when I became the event director for Zee Cine Awards Dubai, by then I was seasoned. I had done all of these big projects, and then it just came to be. But of course, it was the first time that I was going out of the country and managing an event of this sort, which is completely a different animal. That's where I think that was my turning point. I knew that this is what I want to do in life moving forward. And continue to do so. So I remained in Dubai and did a lot of events there, and then came back and joined Z again as events head. And since then, from Z came to Star, and then 12 years in Star, and now finally with Reliance. So that's the journey.